My name's Emily. I am an occupational therapist here at eSpecial Needs, and I'm super excited to talk to you about a new product that we have here. This is called the Calming LED Glow Panel. Whenever I work with families, or I work with kids, or I work with adults, we always try to figure out what's going to be the best piece of equipment to help them meet their goals. So if you have somebody who has trouble with increased anxiety, they have a hard time with being overstimulated and not having the ability to calm themselves down, or they need a special place that will allow them to kind of meet those needs and help with self-regulation, help with kind of decreasing some of those anxiety-like symptoms, helping to kind of block out the surrounding environments, I would recommend something like the glowing panel. It is used essentially to help calm the child or the adult. It can be used in a safe space. A lot of times I will recommend for families to have a space in their home that they can build out that can actually be a calming space. This is really good product to use in conjunction with other products, including like a white noise machine, aromatherapy. It could be used with some sort of like big beanbag pillow that gives them that proprioceptive feedback, along with changes in colors, and really gives the child or the adult a place that can be theirs, that can help them get that calmness, be able to kind of move them through their day, or allow them to essentially decompress at night. It also can be used in a bedroom. It can be used to help with sleep, kind of allowing the child or the adult to look at the changing colors, so it kind of relaxes them to where they hopefully will fall asleep and stay asleep. It can be used in a therapy space. I actually have it in one of my therapy rooms, which is really nice because I use it over a ball pit. It's 30 by 30, and it comes out about 6 inches. So it's really nice, kind of being tucked away with another piece of equipment in front of it. It's got an acrylic front, so nobody can hit it and knock it out. It's drilled into the wall, so even if you have someone like me, I'm not going to be able to knock it down or pull it off, because I know a lot of us have that one client that just likes to pull things off the walls. And the way that we have designed this to be installed at the top and in the back allows it to be safe, which is kind of our goal whenever we have equipment, is we want our kiddos and our adults to be safe with anything that they use, whether they're in a home or they are in a clinic setting. It has a remote control, so if you're like me and you like to walk around your clinic, or you want to kind of help control this at home for your family member, you can always keep your remote control with you. And it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of different colors. It has a fade, so it's a little bit slower, and it kind of just switches from one color to another color, which is nice. This is actually the one that I prefer to have when I have families come into my therapy space. There's a strobe. One of the things I would caution on strobe or flash is if you have any clients or family members that have a seizure disorder. This is one of those things that I would probably avoid these buttons, which is really nice because you have the control. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, please give us a call. Our customer service staff is amazing, and they will help you with any question that you might have. If this is a video that you liked, please support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. So thank you for your time, and thank you for checking out our Calming LED Glow Panel.